Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now we look at the various types of chemokines based on their structure. So to begin with, first is the CXC. The CXC chemokines. So they are nothing but the alpha chemokines. That is, they are separated by one amino acid. And also it's represented by X. The example being the interleukin, the interleukin 8. So interleukin 8, that is a CXCL8. Next, the CC chemokines. CC chemokines is the beta chemokines. They have a total of 4 cytosines, 4 cysteines, of which 2 are adjacent cysteines. 2 are the adjacent cysteines, that is amino acids, and near the amino terminus. So example is the CC chemokines of the ligands 1 to CCl1 to 28. Then comes the C chemokines. C chemokines is the gamma chemokines. They have only 2 cytosines. CC chemokines was 4. The C chemokines has only 2. They have only 2 cysteines. And one is N-terminal cysteine and the one is and one cysteine downstream. One cysteine is downstream, and the example being the XCl. So you have XCl1, that is a lymphotactin alpha, and the XCl2. XCl2 is the lymphotactin beta. And then we're moving on to the CX3C chemokines. So this is the D chemokines. So they have the 3 amino acids, 3 AA, that is amino acids, and this is between the 2 cystokines. Cysteines, and they are formed by, they are termed as a CX3C chemokines, and example is the fractalkine or the CX3CL1. This acts as a chemoattractant and as an addition molecule. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe. Thank you.